Have you ever wondered how creators make their cartoon avatars talk like real humans? What if I told you that you can do it too with just your smartphone and a couple of simple apps? In this video, I'll guide you step by step to animate your cartoon avatar's mouth and bring it to life. Let's get started. First, search for a cartoon avatar PNG image on Google or websites like Pixabay or FreePic. Make sure to download a high quality image with a transparent background for the best results. To add an animated mouth, visit platforms like Pexels, Pixabay or Vidivo, which offer free Creative Commons licensed video clips. These platforms provide a variety of green screen animated mouth clips that you can use legally. Open the downloaded cartoon avatar PNG in the Pixar tab. Use the eraser tool to carefully remove the mouth area, creating space for the animated mouth. Save the edited PNG. Now, open the KineMaster app and import your edited avatar PNG. Add the downloaded green screen animated mouth clip on top of the avatar image. Resize and adjust the mouth clip to fit perfectly in the erased area. Use the chroma key feature in KineMaster to remove the green background from the mouth clip. This will blend the animated mouth seamlessly with your cartoon avatar. Fine-tune the alignment as needed. Once you're satisfied with the result, export your video in high quality to share it with the world. Looking for unlimited high quality footage and resources? Check out my dedicated video on the best platforms for free assets. The link is in the description below, don't miss it. And there you have it, your talking cartoon avatar is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what creative ideas you're planning to bring to life.